This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nancy Morales. This oceanfront condo provides the ideal coastal lifestyle. It's perfect for relaxation and entertaining guests. The split floor plan offers 2 master suites perfect for privacy.Enjoy the breathtaking ocean views from the bedroom, living room and balcony. This condo has ceramic floor tiles throughout. The kitchen is nicely equipped with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Amenities include a pristine heated pool with large deck and grill area, fitness center, sauna, game room, library, same floor laundry room with a personal storage, on-site management and an underground assigned parking. Conveniently situated in the heart of Daytona Beach Shores.Right across the street from Publix. Across the street you will also find a park where you can enjoy tennis and pickleball. Don't miss this opportunity to make it your own. 30 days of right of first refusal. All information in the MLS intended to be accurate, but cannot be guaranteed. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Morales at 321-747-7448.